We've all been in a scenario in which we're thinking of selling our phones, and unfortunately, when we sell our phones, we miss some vital information because we sold the phone without doing these 5 things which I'm going to be showing you on this video. Because I'm a phone technician that fix all kinds of phone, and sometimes some customers come to say that they want to buy an Android phone. Which phone should I recommend to them? So it's very important to back up your WhatsApp, because over here in Africa, one of the most important app in which we all use is the WhatsApp, and I believe everyone can attest to this, to the fact that WhatsApp is one of the best app in terms of doing your business and doing every other kind of things in which you want to do, or communicating with your friends and family, or making video calls and other things. So one of the most important app in which we use is WhatsApp. So it's important to back up your WhatsApp chat, most importantly, so that whenever you switch to a new phone, you'll be able to get back up of the old phone information. The old information that was on the old one can come to the new one without stress. And another important thing is the fact that it's not just backing up your WhatsApp. You need to be able to back up other files, other apps, other files that is in other apps. So you have to do your backup before selling your old phone to be able to get a new one. And another important thing is to download this app which you call Google Photo. Google Photo is an app which is on Android phones. So this app helps you to be able to back up your pictures and your videos. I myself, there are some pictures in which I've done the backup of for up to like 5 years ago. I've done the backup on my Google Photo, and these pictures are not on my WhatsApp, so I didn't back them up on WhatsApp. So some of the pictures in which I've been able to back up and video is still there till date. So you can also download this Google Photo to be able to back up your files, like your picture and your video, most importantly, if you don't want to lose anything, so that once you get a new phone, you are transferring your things, you can just go to your Google Photo and automatically you get all your photos and your videos back to the new one, so that you don't lose any information. And another important thing is to be able to get a new phone before selling your old one. Is very important. But just in case you didn't get a new one before selling the old one, you can just do all these things in which I've told you, so you won't lose any other thing. But the reason why it is important is at times we used to have some hidden files which at times you are unable to be able to access, or maybe you might not remember at that moment. So it's important you get the new one, then transfer everything on from the old one to the new one, and you confirm it to see that everything in which is on the old one is on the new phone, so that you will not lose any information. So it's very important you get a new phone before you sell your old one, and remove your Google account from the old one. And the reason why it's important to remove your Google account is the fact that you need to reset or factory reset the old one before selling it, because people might get access to your information which is on your phone, like some private videos, private pictures. It's very important you delete your Google account first before factory resetting your phone. Because if you factory reset your phone, let's assume you've forgotten the password of your Google account and you factory reset the phone, he's going to worry, he's going to disturb you, because once you factory reset your phone, he's going to ask you to input the account that was on the phone at first before you sold it. So it's better you delete the Google account which is on your phone before thinking of selling the phone to a new buyer, or maybe you have someone that you know personally that is interested in buying your phone. So you have to be able to do what? Delete your Google account and factory reset the phone before selling it to the new buyer that is coming for the phone. So the last thing which you need to do is to factory reset the phone, which is just what I said some minutes ago. It's very important you factory reset your phone. Delete every information that is on the phone before selling it. Either you are selling it to someone you know or someone you don't know, it doesn't really matter. It's very important you factory reset your Android smartphone. Either it is Samsung, any kind of phone, any Android phone, Google Pixel, Samsung, or any kind of Android phone, Tecno, or Infinix, or Itel, no matter what the kind of phone is, it's very important you factory reset it before selling this phone to the buyer, the person that is interested in buying your phone. So it's very important you do these 5 things before selling your Android phone. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you keep updated on new kind of videos that might be coming up. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.